Okay, the next section, last section, actually Unit 7 has 4 sections. This is stem and leaf plots, in case you forgot how to do this from many years ago. There are 6 of them. We're just going to do 2 or 3, and I think you'll get the idea. It'll probably come back to your memory. Alright, so number 1, I'm looking at the 20s, the 30s, the 40s, the 30s, 40s, 20s, 10s. So the lowest one I have is a 19. I'm going to put a 1 here. This stands for 10s, 20s, 30s, and 40s. And then all I do is put down the next number in place. So a 19, this would represent 19. Cross it off. The 20, starting with the lowest one in the 20s. And I have 26, 26, and there's a bunch of them. 26, 26, and 26. Gets rid of those. Again, cross them out so you don't go back and redo them. The 30s, the lowest 30s, I have a 33 and a 37. So that represents 33 and then 37. And then on the 40s, I have a 48, a 48, and a 49. So 48, a 48, and a 49. There we go. And the little key down here, 3, 7, that equals 37. Just to let you know. All right. Going on to number 3. Now the key 559. Oh, that would be represent 559. Okay, so keep that in mind when we do these. That could be interesting. So 54 is the lowest I have. Yep. So 54 and 55. 54, 55, 56, and it looks like I have a high of 57. Alright, so 54, I have a 7, a 3, a 4. So 3, 4, 7. So 3, 4, 7. So 5, 4, 3 is done, 5, 4, 4 is done, and 5, 4, 7 is done. Now those that have 55 and the next number. So if there's a 2, a 9, and a 2. So 2, 2, 9. And you're all done. Cross them off as you do them. You'll be all set. 56. 5, 6, 5. That's done. And the last one at 57, and it ends in an 8. All done. Okay. So hopefully those are pretty easy for you. Again, hopefully it comes back to you. This is pretty simple to do. Number 5, the key, this 8/6 stands for 86. So we're looking at the 70s, 80s, and 90s maybe. So 70s, 80s, 90s. Then I start out with the lowest one in the 70s. So I have a 2. Okay. Then a 74. So 2, 4, any more 70s? Yep, there's a 79 and another 79. Okay, so those are done. Then 80s, there's an 88, 86, and 83. So 83, see 86, and 88. So I can cross those out when I get those done. And then in the 90s, a 91, a 95, and a 97. And we're all done. Okay, I'll let you do 2, 4, and 6, and I hope that you see that those are pretty easy. Again, the keys, watch your keys, make sure you fill it in. Down here this would be 65, down here would be 84, and this one would be 269. So watch yourself, you got 2 numbers here as the stem. Okay, that would be done just like number 3.